Hey guys, we decided to plant some banana trees today. Um, it's getting a little dark out. We just got done. It took us about an hour. Lowe's told us to just plant them with some cow manure and to mulch because they need moisture and they love to be mulched. So my sister-in-law Javon, hi Javon, I know you love to watch our videos, especially when it comes to plants and trees. So please tell me if what they told us is correct, that all we need is cow manure. And if not, please tell us what we do need. Next up, we are going to be planting some grapevines. But this was our project for today, just some banana trees. And according to a website that we were on, they need at least 2 or 3 buddies to be with, so because they like to be together. So this is what we did. And yes, I put some cages around them, but it was only because deterrence for the dogs. So we did put some rubber mulch down. So I did that, and a lot of the cow manure. So I hope I did it right. Otherwise, Javon, please tell us what we did. Okay, we're going to go plant the grapevines real quick. All right, see you in a little bit. Love ya. Bye. Day 2. They've been planted now for about 24 hours. And they're looking really well. We've started a compost pile. I spoke to a friend of mine and she told me how to do it and what to do. So we started that. It's going to take a little while to get the compost going. So we're going to use the remaining of the of the cow manure, and then eggshells, coffee grounds, and then peels from vegetables and fruits. So that's what we're going to do with that. And if you're wondering about tires, I used to work in a motorcycle shop. Yes, I used to be a gearhead. And so that's out about that. Now let's walk over to where my grapevines are, and I'll show you like my entire backyard and stuff. Okay, I have a huge backyard, and you're gonna see like right over here I have a fire pit, but my landscapers, they don't like to weed whack for some reason. So what we're gonna do is, and it's all crumbling and everything, so we're gonna take this apart, and we're going to take all these curby things and the rocks and everything, and we're going to build around the banana trees to keep the dogs out because, okay, the people that live behind us, I got to whisper, the people that live behind us, they have dogs, and they leave them out 24/7. And their dogs dig underneath their fence and they try to come in our yard, which obviously aggravates my dogs. So my dogs try to dig underneath our fence. So we had to pile up those tires to keep their dogs out and our dogs in. Crazy, I know. So we're probably going to be disassembling our fire pit. I'm going to miss my fire pit. And Steph, yes, I know you were so looking forward to a bonfire one night and stuff like that, but we'll rebuild, because if you build it, they will come, right? So anyway, and then, oh yeah, we did plant some really awesome elephant ears, so you can see what we did. Elephant ears all the way down. We're going to be putting in more because elephant ears are, without a doubt, my favorite plant. So you'll see elephant ears all the way down. And then here we are with the grapes. So, and we were told to put them near the fence, and then we got the cage so it'll grow up and be able to latch onto the cage and then be able to vine out onto the fence. So that's really awesome. And then of course, you know, we If you could see it through, obviously you could see it through my fence, but we planted more of the sugar cookie viburnum. So I do want to put more sugar cookie viburnum, but we wanted to focus more on fruit. And I don't know if we're going to branch out into the vegetables again, but we are trying fruit. So this was Sean's idea. This is what he wanted to do. So here's our grapes. And that's pretty much it. Ridley? Ridley? Get away from the grapes. Thank you, son. Yeah. So excited. Okay. And this right here is my original. This is my original. Hang on. See, this is what I go through. You see this? Hey, guys. Penelope Janine. Penelope Janine. See, this is what I go through because they leave their dogs out 24/7. Stay away. No. 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 I'm going to follow you around because you're being a pest, right? Are you being a pest? Yeah, you are. You hear that? Okay. Yeah, that's called being out 24/7. Come on. And see, this is what we had to do. And this really sucks. But we had to because they dig. So, anyway. Penelope Janine. And I know I sound like a broken record, but because they do not take care of theirs, but we take care of ours, Penelope Janine, I have to build barriers. So this is my original. This is my baby. I've had this plant for about, I want to say, 8 years. And this has become an I don't know what. This, Penelope Janine. Do you hear that mess? That mess is constant, 24/7. Penelope Janine. Yeah. I don't have toddlers, I have dogs. That I constantly sound like a broken record with. Anyway. Go inside. Right now. I'm telling Daddy. This is what you sound like when you have puppies. Because she's only 2. Anyway, this girl right here is 8 years old. And this was actually a birthday present from my son. And this plant, this elephant ear, was literally this size, okay? And I only had one of this. And that's what it was 8 years ago, and this is what it is now. And somehow this plant grew from this. So I don't know how these came from this. Strange, I know. But I love my elephant ears. They're literally my favorite plant of all time. And I got to get my pop socket out so I can hold this better. But this is like literally like my favorite plant of all time. Guys, I'm not going to say it again. Ridley? No, sir. But this plant literally, it literally withholds the test of time. You don't have to do anything to elephant ears. In the winter, of course, you know, all plants die. And then it just comes right back in the spring. And it's beautiful. And I love my elephant ears. I swear, I really do. But like I said, my landscaper, he obviously does not know how to weed whack. Because if he did, I wouldn't have this mess right here. And I wouldn't have that mess over by my fire pit. Yeah. So, and then, of course, you know, my dog houses. Look at the weeds in front of my dog houses. Yeah. And then, I don't know how long that soda can's been in there. So that's really awesome. But my dogs never really use the dog houses ever. They're there because they have to be there. So, anyway. Okay, that's the end of this video. I'm done. I'm going to upload. And this is going to be gone because all of these stones have to go over there to keep my rugrats, my pests, my bad babies away from my banana plants. Jouette, can you say I'm bad girl today? Yeah. Okay. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Ridley, say bye. Yeah, I'm a bad boy. Okay.